Hey everybody, this is your best friend in real estate, David Stoltzman. The video I'm doing today is kind of a branch off of another video that I did. This one's going to be your first quarter of 2019 update for Dallas, the city of Dallas itself. Other video I did was the entire DFW real estate market. This one's just for Dallas. So I'll go ahead and jump right into this. So in the first quarter of 2019, it was kind of just blah, as they say on those trashy TV shows. It was blah. That's what the market was for the first quarter of 2019. Not really any big shockers for Dallas, except for maybe one or two. But relatively, it pretty much stayed level and unchanged. The average sales price actually went down from the previous quarter, down about 6.5% to around 370,000. That's your average price point for Dallas right now. Average days on market, about 48 days. That's an increase of 3 days since the last quarter. So 48 days is what you could expect on average to sell a house in Dallas right now. The average supply for the entire city of Dallas is about 3.5 months, 3.4 months. That's unchanged. That's exactly what it was about a quarter ago, end of 2018. So still a seller's market, not a crazy hyper seller's market, but still a seller's market at 3.5 months of inventory. And then finally, the number of sales that happened in Dallas was just over 2,000, and that's actually down 14% since the last quarter. So number of sales is kind of dwindling. Pretty much expected for the first quarter of any year. Sales are usually down after New Year's, and then they pick back up second and third quarter. So we'll see what happens, but that's pretty much your overall snapshot, your 1,000-foot view of Dallas and what the first quarter looked like. As far as the sub-markets of Dallas, I break them into 4 sub-markets, and those are based on price. So your $0 to $300,000 price range, that's your first submarket. That's about 54% in Dallas. That's the number of, with all the sales that happened, 54% of buyers are buying in the $0 to $300,000 range. $300,000 to $600,000 is about 31% of the sales that happened in the first quarter, and then $600,000 to $1 million is about 9.7% of the total purchases, and then $1 million plus in Dallas. Actually, a little surprising, about 0.4%, so under 1% of the buys. That's usually around 1.5 in Dallas, but in the first quarter it was about 0.5%. So that's what I got for you guys. That's your quick market update. I think that the biggest surprises that you have right now in Dallas are going to be just its number of sales have gone down. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. But, so if you have any questions about that or any questions about your neighborhood specifically in Dallas or anything else really, just call, text, email. I'm happy to help you and put everything in perspective for you. If you have any comments, please comment in the comments section and we'll get a convo going. Other than that, look forward to the next one, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it, guys.